everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and Sadie stickers inserts. And for this week, I will be using this beautiful kit from Hello Petite Paper. It is called Wandering. So yeah, I just wanted to use it for this week because this is the week that we will be traveling to the Philippines. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the pace and I'll talk to you in a while.
Let's go. I'm chasing dreams, I'm chasing light. Pushing boundaries, taking flight. I keep my head high and never look back. No stopping now, I'm on the rise. I'm versatile, yeah, I'll flip the script. Changing the game, baby, I never slip. Head up, I'll move it right to the top. Every door I open, I'm ahead of my time. I'm breaking new ground. You wonder how I do it. Oh, just feel. It's just a feeling running through my veins. A first sight, breaking all the chains. It's just a feeling, just a feeling. It's just a feeling and I can't slow down. Got the world in my hands, I'm breaking new ground. It's just a feeling, just a feeling. Yeah, I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. That's right. Step it up, watch me take control. Hey, wait, hold up, baby, did you see that? I'm jumping through hoops like an acrobat. Just slip, I never miss, yeah, that's the plan. Every door I open, I'm ahead of my time. I'm breaking new ground. You wonder how I do it. Oh, just feel it. It's just a feeling running through my veins. A first sight, breaking all the chains. It's just a feeling, just a feeling. It's just a feeling that I can't slow down. Got the world in my hands, I'm breaking new ground. It's just a
All right, so I put down this washi strips. I wasn't sure what to do with it, so that's why I'm like, I need to use this because I bought it. So let's put it on the sidebar. So I use it like a sidebar. Um, yeah, just a sidebar strip of washi that I put together because they weren't the size of the column. So I just put those three together, and I think it kind of works. But yeah, I like it. I like how it turned out. So I'm putting down the deco from the kit, and there's a lot of like this phrases like wandering, and I think the other one is explore. So I really like putting it above those deco. So I think I'll just be putting down the full boxes and then more of the deco and more of florals because Hello Petite Paper has more of like florals um in her kits. She's more known for like this beautiful florals that she designs. And then I think I'll be using some foil from, let's see, some foil from, I believe it might be Sadie stickers or Hell Letters to Apollo. Like those florals like foiled florals in gold foil. So yeah, I think that's basically it. It's a very simple base. And I'll just be talking to you in the day today.
world in my hands, I'm breaking new ground. It's just a feeling, just a feeling. Yeah, I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. That's right. Step it up, watch me take control. Hey, wait, hold up, baby, did you see that? I'm jumping through hoops like an acrobat. Just slip, I never miss, yeah, that's the plan. Every door I open, I'm ahead
All right. So on Monday, I had to change my flights to going to the resort that we're going to in Boracay, or at least the flights, because they canceled the flight that I got. I got it like maybe middle of the day, but then I think probably there wasn't a lot of tickets that were sold, so I had to rebook it to the morning one because of course I want to spend more time at at the beach and the place. So that's why I think it was like around 8 a.m. that I changed from like 12:30 p.m. supposedly. So yeah, so that made me, yeah, had to change. And then other thing is I got some poke from Poke Bros, and then I also checked in for our flight, which is still on Wednesday. So usually they you can book, or like you can check in 48 hours earlier. So that's what I did, and like filled up all the apps and everything so that everything is ready by Wednesday. All right, so on Tuesday I still had work for like Monday to Wednesday. So just the last minute things we had to do. So one of the things I did was have a Starbucks run maybe. And we also went for some sushi at the Sushi Plus Rotary that we have close by. And then, of course, the sushi is also so cute. That is from Hello Petite Paper as well. She does really cute doodles. So yeah, do check out her doodles as well. And then, of course, I had to do more packing, just last minute packing before we leave. And on Wednesday, actually, Wednesday, our flight was like 12 midnight. So Wednesday, I still had work, and then, the whole day still. So this is now the time that we are on the plane, or at least no, we were on in the airport. So got to the airport with like two taxis because we had so many luggages. There were four of us traveling, and we just had so much because of course we wanted to give a lot of stuff to the people in the Philippines. So yeah, and then in the airport we had some Chick-fil-A, and then I got a call from my father. He doesn't know that I was going to go home, so I had to like um let I didn't let him know where I was at that time, but he was calling me for something important, and hopefully he didn't know that I was there, going to travel. All right. So on Thursday, I think, what did I do on Thursday? So yeah, Thursday is actually like the whole day on the plane. So it takes so long to get to the Philippines. So it's like whole day, 24 hours to get to travel. And then so all I did was actually sleep on the plane since our flight was 12 midnight. So yeah, I wasn't able to watch anything at all. I started listening to a book, but then I fell asleep. So yeah, so just slept. And then once we got to the layover airport, which was in Taiwan, layover for like, I think how many hours? 5 hours. Yeah. So it's a lot of time. So we're just going around, and yeah, there's a lot to see also at the layover, and a lot of yummy food to eat over there. Okay, and then this is the part where I got so stressed because once we were down there, we were going to go like bored already at the time. I couldn't find our passports. Mine and my daughter's passports were missing. So I'm like, oh my God, like I've flipped everything all around, all our suitcases, and I couldn't find it. So I went to the counter to ask if they have any information, if they got their passports. Unfortunately, they had it. So I actually left it somewhere, like after the transfer, going to transfer. I believe I put down my stuff, and then that's when I probably left it there, and fortunately someone gave it to the counter. So good thing, because or else we wouldn't have been able to go to the Philippines. That was so, yeah, that was just so stressful for me. But anyways, that was good. So we got to the Philippines on Friday already, around lunchtime or noon that time, and we got to go to the Airbnb. It was a really small Airbnb place, but it was so perfect for like the place that like it's close to malls and everything. So And then my mother-in-law also came along, and she was going to surprise her kids. So we let her like stay at like a the garden or like the park before we met with all my husband's brothers and sisters, and all the rest of the family. And of course, they already had a suspicion she was gonna come because she wasn't answering her phone for some reason. Yeah, you don't answer your phone for 24 hours, maybe, yeah. Because usually she checks in every day, right, with her kids back home, with her, with her grand sons who are back in the Philippines. So yeah, well, they got surprised a bit, but it's good. It's a good surprise. So that's what we did, and then I got some coffee this time. No Starbucks this trip, I believe. Got some Holden Cafe. It's so good, like butterscotch coffee. So, and it's really a pretty place. And then the next day, we had breakfast, of course, at this really fancy restaurant. It's called Wildflower. It's pretty good. The pastries are good. Then, of course, I got to get a massage, and that was in serve like in the. We got it in the Airbnb. So so relaxing. And then I got some stuff at the Mistokoshi Mall. It was right nearby our Airbnb. And then I didn't have any other. I guess I didn't have any other sticker to put down here, so that's why I'm putting down like more deco on this empty part. Yeah, it just fit all in the space above. So that was it for this Saturday. And then on Sunday, that was the time I was gonna go travel to Baguio, where my parents are, to go surprise them. So first things first, we had some breakfast at Fat Seed. And then, of course, now we are going to go drive, or well, we got a driver, and then me and my daughter were going to go up to the mountains because it's like a mountainside area where I live when I was young. So we drove to Baguio, and it was so quick. But once we got to like the point from the mountain going up, it was so foggy. It was so scary. Oh my gosh! And it's rainy season this period, so yeah. But yeah, we got through that foggy area. It always gets foggy in Marcos Highway, so it was a yeah, a pretty my the driver was really driving really slow because he couldn't see anything in front of him, and there was even an accident that happened with a truck. So good thing, we were just very slow, and yeah, no rush anyway. And then we went to drop off our bags first at Lemonade, where we checked in. That's where we're gonna be staying with my daughter. And then, of course, we drove to my house, that where we live, and surprised my mom, of course. Yes, she was so surprised. She was so happy, I think, maybe. Who I haven't seen. Like, I think it was even the last time I was there was pre-COVID, which was 2019. And it's 2019 I saw them. So it was a great surprise to see my mom. And of course, to see the rest of the family. We had some nice food. And yeah, that is it for this week for our first, like, it's like just half of the week, but it's still good. These are the leftovers. And I think, yeah, this is it. This is the Wandering Kit from Hello Petite Paper. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.